Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing the Ruko F11GIM2 drones and the Bwine F7MINI drones. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see how these two drones stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, having a high-quality camera is essential. The Ruko F11GIM2 drone features a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal and electric image stabilization technology. This allows for stable video recording and the ability to switch between lenses of different distances and directions. On the other hand, the Bwine F7MINI drone also offers a 4K UHD camera with a shock absorption ball, imported from Germany. It ensures that the camera captures UHD 4K high-resolution details. Additionally, the camera is 90 degrees adjustable with a 130 degrees FOV lens, enabling epic wide-angle shots from a bird's-eye view. Battery life is crucial, especially if you want to enjoy extended flight sessions. The Ruko F11GIM2 drone can fly for up to 32 minutes on a single charge. It comes with 2 intelligent batteries, giving you a total flight time of 64 minutes per trip. You'll have more time to explore and capture breathtaking footage. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7MINI drone comes with 2 batteries as well, providing up to 60 minutes of flight time. This is still a significant amount of time for a drone of its size, allowing for enjoyable and uninterrupted flying sessions. When it comes to flight features, both drones offer some impressive capabilities. The Ruko F11GIM2 drone comes with GPS Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Waypoint Fly functions. These features are perfect for various outdoor activities, such as hiking, cycling, and even historical landmark recording. It also has an upgraded remote control with enhanced image transmission stability and security. On the other hand, the Bwine F7MINI drone also features GPS Smart Fly capabilities. It can automatically return when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with just a press of a button. Additionally, it has intelligent functions like following you automatically and flying along a set path. The drone's multi-sensor system ensures stable hovering both indoors and outdoors. Based on online reviews, customers have generally positive sentiments towards both the Ruko F11GIM2 and Bwine F7MINI drones. Here are some sentiments expressed by reviewers. For the Ruko F11GIM2, good camera quality and performance, long flight time, user-friendly remote control for the Bwine F7MINI, great value for the price, easy to set up and use, high-quality videos and pictures. Ultimately, the choice between these drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, the comparison between the Ruko F11GIM2 drones and the Bwine F7MINI drones. Both drones have their unique strengths, whether it's the Ruko F11GIM2's camera capabilities or the Bwine F7MINI's compact design. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Remember to check the video description for more information and links to both products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.